Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're having an amazing summer. I just received my Fabfitfun beauty edit box for the month of July. I of course will plot details here for you guys, and we're gonna jump in. Even though I love the surprise of like a standard subscription mystery box, I actually really like that this is specifically curated by you. We get to go in and choose all 4 products here. Of course, at the end of the video, you will see that process. You will see all of the choices and everything else. I'd like to know what you guys picked if you do receive the beauty edit box. It does generally ship pretty quickly, and it is generally packaged well. We're gonna dive in. Do I remember what I picked? Sure don't. So it's still generally a surprise to me. First up is, I've actually been using this. I do remember picking this because I remember picking my shade. This is the Herborian CC Creme Color Correcting Cream. It unifies, hydrates, protects, light coverage, luminous natural finish with broad spectrum SPF 25, and I opted for shade medium. I will note I received like 3 of these little minis. They're actually still in my overnight bag. I received 3 of these little minis in my Beauty Fix by Derm store box, and I've been mixing the light and the medium together. I will note for me personally, maybe just because it's so incredibly muggy here and it's been 100 degrees here, this does not last very well unless I set it. So I think that if you have oily skin, I would just give a word of caution here. It doesn't last very long unless you really set it, and if you have very oily skin, I think it's going to break apart pretty quickly and or become kind of overtly oily and dewy, because it does me. In saying that though, I like the coverage. It feels lightweight and stuff on the skin, and I enjoy the product overall. For summertime, I need something that's going to be a little bit more long lasting for me personally. Next up, might have to send an email. I think they tried to make sure this was not going to break, but it only has about this much in here, which is a little disappointing. Anyways, all that to say, this is the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil 4-in-1 weightless hair oil. I need this, y'all, for real. Yeah, I might email them and just see if they can send a replacement for this. I don't really know what happened. If it's in here, I don't know how it got cracked on both sides. I mean, they even taped it and everything. I don't think it was like a them issue. Unfortunately, it's almost gone. Okay, if you've tested that, let me know though, because if it's really good, then I definitely want to send an email and get a replacement. Next up, a brand that I know and love. I recently panned a foundation. I repurchased the exact same foundation because I love it that much. This is the LYS Beauty Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Stick. This is in the shade Bubbly, which is a soft pink. And LYS Beauty is Love Yourself. I love the concept, and again, I've tested multiple products from them and I love them. I'm actually gonna try this, and today's makeup is my Subtle Beauty stack. I still am using it consistently. I absolutely love it. They dropped a couple of new shades. I do have an affiliated code with them. I'll just put that on the screen and stuff for you guys. And several of you have already purchased, and several of you have said, like, girl, this is amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. But I think we can add a little pop of blush in saying all of that. Let me grab a brush. I do like the packaging. And I will, no, what the heck is happening this time? What the heck? I don't mind that. Obviously it's not been used or anything, but darn it, man. I will say their products are quite slippy. Let me see. Yes, this is very slippy and very opaque. Like there's a lot of pigment. You get a big bang for your buck, I feel like, with LYS Beauty. Like, you will not use a lot of this at all. I like to go in with a firm, like Packer style, kabuki style brush. I still probably picked up too much. I pick up the tiniest little bit. Oh, let me go ahead and put that on both cheeks. Oh my gosh. And I start very small. And I like to do stippling, pouncing motions. Oh, that glow is stunning. Hopefully it sets down. If you're not new here, you already know. If this does not have a dry down to it, I'm gonna hate it. I like glowy, dewy. I love cream products, specifically having more mature skin, very dry skin, and very textured skin. I enjoy cream product. Some of them are a little bit too emollient and a little bit too oily, a little bit too greasy, and even for me having drier skin, I do not like that sensation. So hopefully it dries down, because the color is gorgeous and that glow is absolutely stunning. It's almost like a blush lighter, like with a little bit of a highlight kiss in there. That shade is beautiful. I think it'd be beautiful on the lips too. Oh yeah. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm not liking that 2 of my products came a little bit, not the best. All right, and then last but not least, let me actually take it out of here. We have the Waska. I feel like I just got a hair removal cream. This is the same thing. Okay. This is the Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream. It says made by 2 hairy guys. This is in guava butter, and this is for face and body. This says effortlessly remove undesired hair from head to toe with our gentle botanical rich formula, deliciously scented to be like guava fruit. Then it says Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream helps to soften while delivering a magical hair removal experience on even the most sensitive areas and skin types. And I am somebody that uses hair removal creams a lot, like very, very consistently. I enjoy products like this, and I want to say probably just this product by itself is very close to the price of the entirety of our box. And I kind of look at this in a spectrum of I'm buying 1 item, I got 3 free. That's how I kind of view it for that kind of $30-ish price point. I love this box. I am a little bit upset that certain things were a little bit messed up, but yeah, I'll break that down very quickly for you guys. Again, we got our Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream made by 2 hairy guys. I just love that. I absolutely love that. We ended up getting our LYS Beauty, the Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Stick. That is the perfect representation for the name of this. I do feel like it is drying down, and I don't feel it at all on the skin. Like, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel sticky or tacky. I think I'm gonna love this. And that again was in the shade Bubbly, which is a soft pink. We got our Herborian CC Creme, the color correcting cream, unifies, hydrates, and protects, light coverage, luminous natural finish. Again, if you use this, especially if you have oily skin, but I think anybody could benefit from powdering it down. It is incredibly glowy and dewy. I think I would prefer this in the winter time. I kind of go the opposite in terms of how a lot of people go dewy, glowy in the summertime and then matte in the wintertime. I kind of do the opposite of that, especially because it is so incredibly hot and muggy here. But again, this has broad spectrum SPF 25. I am currently using, it's in my overnight bag, the Herborian in the green. I use it almost every single day, even if I'm not wearing makeup. I literally just put a little bit on my cheeks. I have rosacea, in case you're new and you didn't know that. But I put just a little bit on my cheeks, and then I go in with my SUBTL Beauty stack, do a little bit of a brow, and I call it a day. You guys know I'm on a very like minimum, less is more kind of journey right now. That's just the place in my life that I'm at right now, okay? Because life is lifing right now. Is it for anybody else? And if it is, I'm thinking of you and I'm sending you so much love. And then to follow it up and to finish it up, we have our Briogeo Style and Treat, the Yuzu Plum Oil 4-in-1 Weightless Hair Oil. That is half empty and cracked and broken. It's okay though. And I will let you guys know too. I'll try to come back and like leave a pinned comment or something like that to let you guys know how the experience is in terms of customer service. Do they give me a credit kind of instantly? Do they say, hey, we're so sorry, let's resend this? Or are they going to give me a hard time? I'm curious, and I'm curious if you've had any experiences with Fabfitfun, the Beauty Edit box. That is it for today. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can share my content out. You can hype my videos, and there's a join button down below that you can click to become a channel member to get some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.